Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sony Singh Physics. Friends, in this video I am going to discuss with you pinhole camera. We will see here what is pinhole camera and its working principle. We'll also see how to make pinhole camera. I have captured some original picture from pinhole camera which I am going to share with you. Then the most exciting part is what happens when there are more than one hole in a pinhole camera. So I'll show you what will happen. That is the most exciting part because I also came to know when I was doing this video for you. So just see that. A pinhole camera is a simple camera without lens in the shape of a box. This box can be rectangular, square or cylindrical. One of the side has a small hole and it produces an inverted image of the outside world at the other side. So this is the way how a pinhole camera work. In pinhole camera, the image will be real, inverted and diminished. Working principle of a pinhole camera means pinhole camera work on what principle? Pinhole camera work on the fact that light travels in a straight line and the principle is called the rectilinear propagation of light. This makes the image appear upside down in the camera like this. How to make pinhole camera? So now we are going to see what are the things required for pinhole camera. To make a pinhole camera, we need two boxes which we can use shoe box or you can make box with chart paper also. You can also use some chips packets like Pringles and all. And then we need photo paper or butter paper. Then we need black paint or black sheet of paper to cover inside of the box to make it very dark. And then we'll see how we are going to make it. Friends, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Press the notification bell to get all the updates as soon as possible. These are the two boxes which I am going to use to make a pinhole camera. As you can see, one box is a bit smaller than another one because smaller box should go inside the bigger box and it should slide smoothly. Now we'll take smaller box and cover inside with the black chart paper, or you can paint also. We have to make it dark. Other side cut into rectangle piece and cover it with the grease proof paper or butter paper. It should look like this. Square shape cut and black chart paper covered inside. Now take the bigger box and we don't have to do anything inside. Other side of the bigger box we have to make pinhole. We should use very thin needle to make hole. Now our pinhole camera is ready to use. Insert smaller box inside the bigger one. The same thing you can make even with the help of chart paper also. You can make two boxes with the chart paper, one smaller and one bigger. But there should be two. Smaller one should slide inside the bigger one. It should slide very smoothly. Then only you can see change in image. Now we are going to see image through this pinhole camera. This is the scene which we are going to see through our pinhole camera and we'll see what type of image will form. See the image, it is inverted and diminished. So the property of image is inverted, diminished and real. Now we'll see how an image formed in a pinhole camera. We'll see ray diagram. Suppose this is an object and this is our pinhole camera. One hole in between, box, and this is our screen of a pinhole camera. Now what will happen, since we know that pinhole camera works on the principle of rectilinear propagation of light, now what will happen, ray from the top will start and reach here, and ray from the bottom will start and reach here. So in this way, inverted image, because bottom ray has reached over here and top ray has reached over here. So inverted image, inverted and diminished image will form on the screen. So this is the way how image form in a pinhole camera, and the property of the image will be inverted, diminished and real. Real means because there is a actual intersection of rays. Rays are meeting actually. So this is the pattern of image formation in a pinhole camera. Now we'll see what type of image form when there are multiple holes in a pinhole camera. So you can see there will be multiple image when the number of holes are more than one. I have captured this type of image from real pinhole camera, which I am going to show you. Wow, it's so beautiful. Multiple images. Now we are going to see through this diagram that what will happen when there will be more than one hole in a pinhole camera. So for example, this is our object and this is our pinhole camera. I have made 3 holes over here, hole 1, 2 and 3. So now we'll see how image form. You can see there are 3 images on the screen, image 1, image 2 and image 3. So we are going to see that how this happen. So what will happen, now I'll take first for hole 3. So a ray from the top will start and reaches to the bottom, and then from bottom a ray will start and reaches to the top over here. So this is how one image has been formed over here. For second case, again the ray will start from here and reaches over here, and then from bottom also one ray will start and reaches over here. So this is the way how second image has been formed. In case of third one, again one ray will start from top and reaches to the bottom, and then from bottom one ray will start and reaches to the top. So this is the way. Now this is our third image. So this is the way how an image formed when there are more than one hole in a pinhole camera.